Hi everybody, this is Weave It Lover and I'm with you with a Stitch Fix January 2020 unboxing. Alright, so let's dig in. I did go ahead and slip this open just because I didn't want to have to deal with it trying to knife that open in front of everybody and sitting there. Argh. So I have not opened the box yet. We're going to see what happens. So we have to discover and decide, share our thoughts, and then send it back. Alright, so first off in the box we have a priority mail return envelope so we can take back what we do not want. And then we have this bundle here. And then we also have the oh hello right here, which we'll look at that next. Take a peek, tucked inside pieces from your stylist outfit inspiration. Seriously? Personalized outfit inspiration and personalized style advice. So this is inside of the envelope, and it's going to, I'm going to read the little thing at the top. I don't want to look at the little things yet because they show you different stylization things you can do with your outfits that they have, or pieces that they have provided, so I don't want to look at those just yet. Hello, Rachel. Gorgeous. Happy New Year and happy first fix day. It is hard to believe that the new year is here and excitement of the possibilities of 2020 arise. It is always fun to do something or to have an updated trendy wardrobe with some fun pieces to mix and match with these pieces you already have. Be sure to send feedback. It really helps ensure for having a perfect box. It helps me get to know your style. For Valentine's Day, wear the Michael Kors dress with a Vero Mata black skirt paired with the 41 Hawthorne top in burgundy. Ooh, I can't wait to see what it's gonna look like. And fave booties or fun wedges. Wear the blank New York City leggings from the M and S top and add boots to complete the look. Had so much fun styling you. Love being your stylist. I cannot wait to see and hear what you think. And your partner in style, Jamie Lee. This is a green envelope. Says, here's what you need to know. Okay, it says the same thing that it says right here on the box. It just says, discover, decide, share your thoughts, send it back, and tell me the pricing. I'm not really ready to see that yet, so we'll come back to that. I did pay $20 for the styling box, and you get that waived off of whatever items that you do buy. And if you buy all 5 items, then you do get 20% off of that and your $20 styling fee. Oh, looks like there's lots of good stuff in here. I'm excited. Okay. I said that I wanted joggers, leggings, comfortable shirts, some things maybe for Valentine's Day, just some odds and end things that I've been looking for. So that's what I said to them. All right, we have a really pretty bundle. Oh, it's so soft already. Okay, I'm going to start with this shirt here. And it's in burgundy. This must be the shirt she said to wear for Valentine's Day. This is from, oh, who is this from? Hawthorne 41 in medium. And this is absolutely beautiful. Very pretty. I like it. I like it. It's very soft. And it has a nice vertical stripe kind of thing down the way. So the Hawthorne one costs, it says $54. Next up we have the Market Spruce Folsom Crew in $36 price range. It's a very soft black shirt, and I'm always looking for a nice new black shirt because the ones I have are kind of getting faded and they're getting big on me. And it's just a nice long sleeve, lightweight black. That's very, very soft. Dang. Okay, all right, nice. Next up we have a, oh my goodness, what is this? Man, okay. I was just looking at something like this at Marshall's yesterday. These are Corey point printed legging, blank New York City. in a size 8. I'm kind of terrified. I don't know if these are gonna fit me, but they look kind of small. Maybe I'm going so much down in sizing that I might be able to fit these. We will see. These are absolutely gorgeous. I love these and I really hope they fit. Oh man, you know, she kind of made up a mark here. I'm very impressed so far. Holy crap. Okay, so these, this is the best fix I think I've had so far. I've had one before and then my husband had a couple before. Okay, these are the gray Corey Point printed legging and these are $58. All right, we are now going to go to the next thing. Wow, I'm just so impressed right now. I don't know how to feel. Okay, we'll definitely try those on. Oh man, okay. So then we have the Vero Mata pleated Jocelyn pleated fox leather mini skirt, size medium. This is different. This is definitely different. This is $58. And it smells well made. Okay, we're gonna see what happens. I don't know. I don't know. And this is the Michael Kors dress. Never even owned anything Michael Kors before. And this is retailing for $135. It is a size large. And it is, what is this? It's a large and it's a Malila knit dress. And this is really kind of cute. It's different. I don't know how to feel. Maybe it will look better on, but the smaller print, I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. This is up close, kind of give you an idea. And I don't know. Okay, so those were the outfits, and we're going to talk about a little bit about pricing and what you guys think I should keep and things I need to part with. This is a tough one because I am like this close to being in those size 8s comfortably. I didn't think I'd even be able to fit into a 10. So every size, as you know, depending on what brand you're dealing with, has a different size number of the way that the pants are made or shirts are made, dresses, etc. So it definitely plays on this like, oh, it's a size 8, but I know that's not like the true 8 that I'm usually used to seeing because it's just not, I don't know, it's always different. However, not talking sizes, but as far as items go. So for everything, we have the pleated phlox skirt that was $58, the Belinda knit dress that was Michael Kors for $135. We have Blank New York & Company, the printed legging, which I absolutely love those pants. I am still indecisive if I should keep them. And then within 2 months, maybe I could fit into them because I am going down in sizing. And still, and so those are $58 in size 8. Then I am at 41 Hawthorne, the tulip sleeve knit top in burgundy. That shirt is in the medium at $54, and I really liked that shirt. The only thing is in the arms, it was a little tiny, I'm talking micro, little tiny tight when I do this. And when I sit down, I can kind of see the bulge down here in the stomach area, and I'm just like, okay, I know I'm still losing weight. I know it's a work in progress. Do I keep this shirt or do I part with it until I know for sure it's going to fit? What would you do? I need to know in the comments because it's such that, it's my points, my stress points are the stomach area, which is so hard to put into pants or around shirts. It's just the most annoying lower belly fat situation that I am trying to work on. That's just me. Then we have Market and Spruce Folsom crew neck knit black shirt. I did not like that shirt at all. It showed every bulge in my entire system of nature, and it was really high up in the neck, and you guys know I love scoop neck and I love V-necks. That's probably going to definitely be at an O. So if I kept everything, I get $85.25 off the whole total, which the Stylist Picks Tubs totaled at $341, minus the 25% off if I keep everything, which is $85.25, is $255 minus my styling fee of $20, and my shipping was free. It order total for everything would be $235.75, which I'm not keeping everything. So I would like to know if you guys think I should be keeping the any of it. I want to know which ones you liked, which ones you hated. It just maybe, what would you wear? Would there be an item you would be like, oh yeah, I want to try that. If you do want to try it, great. I do have a referral code down there. I don't get any money for making the video or anything like that, but if you'd love to help a girl out and put the referral in your link if you want to try out Stitch Fix, that would be great, because I'd love for you to try it as well. And I think your first fix, you don't have to pay the styling fee of $20. I think they waive that for your first time, which is really cool. All right, well, I look forward to hearing what you guys had to say below, and I will comment back on your comments below, so I will keep in touch that way. And please look forward to the next video. I'm going to be making a Nadine West box this week, and also I'm going to do a weigh-in and update on what I'm doing with my results with my weight loss progress. Talk to you all later, and thanks again, and please subscribe, and please like this video, because other people, they should know about this too, because why not? It's cold out. Why not have somebody just bring the clothes to your house? Okay, thanks guys. Bye.